everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my February, I had to think about this, February update for Supernatural, Pan Interrupted. This is a project that me and my bestie Amanda do because we both love Supernatural. So we decided to pan a product for every episode that ever aired or will air until the end of time, because that's how long this project is going to take, but that's okay. I'm good with it. I like my forever projects, and yeah, that's what this is all about. We are in season 2, rolling into season 3, and yeah, was not a very good month. I'm just going to say that right now. It was not a very good month. As most of you know, I was sick for a very good portion of the last month. Still am not completely cleared out of all the icky junk, but you know, what are you going to do about that? But I do have a little progress, so that's something, right? I did miss a few days of makeup, which I know, gasp, what are we going to do about that? Has definitely hindered my progress. That's the one thing that I've always said about my panning, is that I'm very consistent. I wear my makeup every single day, but there are certain days when you feel like death because you have the plague and you just can't. So I did miss a few days of makeup. Hopefully it will not affect the end game here, so to speak. I do not have any empties, so I will not be going on to the next episode, but it's okay. It's okay. We're not going to sweat this. I'm having a hard time breathing, so I apologize for all the coughing and stuff. Always have my water. Okay, so I'm just going to go in the order that I have, like, the episodes. Hollywood Babylon is the first episode that I am working on, and for that I'm using the Starlooks Gem Pencil in Ultra Olive. This is just a goal thing for me. I am not trying to finish it. I just want to get to where I have that gold line here sharpened off, and yeah, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I need to wear my greens more. I love greens. And I don't know why I don't wear them more, because I do absolutely adore them. But I've been on an orange kick lately. Like, I don't know why. I've been loving my oranges, and like, I even have orange on today. Could I have worn green and gotten some use out of this? Of course I could have. Did I do it? No. That would have been too logical, and apparently I don't do logic. So I'm going to say. On to the Folsom Prison Blues. Speaking of orange, they are in prison, and the prison uniforms are orange. So I chose an orange eyeshadow, and my goal is to finish this one. This is depotted from the Profusion Eyes palette. The color is actually called Terra Cotta. It's orange. It's a matte orange. I do have it on today. I have it in my lower lash line. I have it in my crease, like my upper crease area. I really like the shade a whole lot, which is probably why I've been wearing it a whole lot. But all I've done is expand the pan a little bit, because I do kind of swirl around, so it's not expanding as fast as I would like it. But, you know, this is, you know, not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's all good. I'm going to get there. Pardon me. Moving on to the first episode of All Hell Breaks Loose. In that one, Sam is abducted by the yellow-eyed demon. The yellow-eyed demon, he's a bad dude. I mean, he's a demon. And he's got yellow eyes. That can't be a good thing, right? So, I chose a shadow in here. This is the ColourPop Honey palette, for those of you that don't know what it is, which I don't know how you cannot, because it's like the most gorgeous palette ever. I chose Dandy, which is right here, and I'm just trying to hit pan on it. I don't know if you guys can see the dip. It's definitely got a little dip in there, not major, but there's a dip going. You might be able to see it a little bit. I'm enjoying it, but this is so insanely pigmented that you barely have to touch your brush in there, and bam, it's in your face, like there, which I enjoy, but It's good from a value standpoint. It's not good from a panning standpoint. I'm not mad at it though. Yellow is my favorite color, so it can stay around forever. For All Hell Breaks Loose Part 2, in that, the Yellow-Eyed Demon, once again, bad dude, he unleashes the armies of hell. Yes, I said that word. Shh. So, for that, I chose another yellow product, obviously, to represent the Yellow-Eyed Demon. This one right here. If you're not familiar with it, this is the Not Your Mother's, not cough, pardon me, Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon. I might have mispronounced that. Wouldn't surprise me at all. This is a leave-in conditioner that helps to amplify softness and maximize smoothness. It detangles well too. I use this every time I wash my hair, and I was here last time. I am here this time, and I'm making pretty steady progress because obviously I started up here. I'm figuring 2 more months and this will be done. That's my guess, which is a pretty good value. I want to say I got this on sale. Technically, I didn't pay anything for it because it was in my 2,000 points Ulta haul, but when I got it, it was on sale, and I want to say it was like 5 something or 6 something, and 1, 2, 3, 4 months. That's not that bad for as much hair as I have, and I just got it cut not long ago. Yeah, I would totally buy that again. So 2 months, I think, on that one, and I think we're good. The next one, the Magnificent 7. I cannot talk. The Magnificent 7, which is the 7 deadly sins. Not so magnificent unless, you know, you're a bad dude. Yeah. So for that one, obviously I picked a sin, and I didn't pick this one specifically for its type of sin. I picked this one for what the heck do I have in my collection that is one of the 7 deadly sins, or that I could tie to one of the 7 deadly sins. There it is. It is the Alter Ego Temptress palette. I got this a while back in PR, and I do very much enjoy the palette. And I actually, this is the dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, and I actually compared them, and I actually liked the Temptress palette better. I just thought it had better pigmentation. But Lust, right here, the shade. In my infinite wisdom, I said I wanted to finish the shade. Clearly, I have not done that. And I'm going to be straight up honest with you. In this past month, I'm not sure if I wore it maybe once, maybe. Reason being is, y'all know that I rotate my makeup basket every week. I forget that I have this in here, and I have it in my drawer. Like, I have a drawer next to me. I have like the Alex 5 drawers, and the top one on my left side is all of my painting products that are not in my basket for that week. And right before I do my basket, I sort through them, and I'm like, what am I going to work on this week? And for some reason, I had this one shoved all the way in the back, and I completely forgot about it. Or I just kind of overlooked it and just was like, oh, I'll get to it. I don't know. But I keep forgetting to use this. So this needs to go in my basket very soon. I'm just putting that out there. Jessica, when you're editing, put this up front so you can see it and put it in your next basket. That's all I'm going to say. All right, the last one. I wish I could stop coughing. Bad Day at Black Rock. This was a good one. This one was so good. This might be one of my absolute favorite episodes. It's definitely in my top 5. This is where they stole. There's a rabbit foot involved, and I'm trying to even remember why I chose this particular one. But there's a it's where Bella comes in. She's the first time. I think it's the first time they've introduced her, and she kind of is like a bounty hunter for artifacts that have magical powers, I guess. And there is a rabbit's foot that is a legit rabbit's foot that has powers to it. And if you own it, it it gives you like the best luck in the world. And if you have it and then you lose it, your luck goes completely opposite. You have like the absolute worst luck in the world, and it's funny. And I don't know why I picked this particular product. I don't even remember. Oh, I do now. I do now because it's cruelty free. That's why I picked it. I'm like, why did I pick this product? And I didn't write it on my spreadsheet. Duh, Jessica. Um, so I picked the Wild Spirit Rosy Glow. It's a Rollerball fragrance made with essential oils. And it took me a second, and I'm glad that I was talking out the whole rabbit's foot thing, and I was like, rabbit, duh, cruelty free. I'm so brilliant sometimes. And I know if I don't put it in my spreadsheet, I'm going to forget it for next time I update. So I need to update my spreadsheet. So yeah, anyway, long story short, Jessica's an idiot. I started brand new and we are right here, partially being because I've been using other fragrances and partially because I haven't been able to smell anything for weeks. And I put like a perfume of any kind of fragrance on it first thing in the morning as a courtesy to everyone around me, you know, so I don't smell icky or anything like that. Not that I do. I mean, I'm a clean person, but I reapply for myself because I like the smell of things. And if I'm not smelling it anyway, I don't reapply, especially if I'm just at my house. I can't enjoy it if I can't smell it. So my reapplying has been limited for the last few weeks. But now that I have my sense of taste and sense of smell back, I will be using this more frequently, I'm sure, because I absolutely love the smell of it. And it's tiny. It's so tiny and cute. I think that'll be gone by the next update. So, anything else I don't think is going to be done. I think this is going to be the only thing that is done by the next update, which will be nice because I'm looking forward to actually rolling a new product in. This one I think is going to take me 2 months. And who knows, if I really work at it, I might be able to hit Pan and Dandy. I don't know. I don't know if I want to. I mean, I want to for panning purposes, but I'm enjoying having the freedom to pull that yellow in whenever I want to, and I don't want that to go away. But the Yellow Eye Demon, I'm thinking out loud here now, the Yellow Eye Demon does show up quite a bit more throughout the entire series, so I guess I could actually work on it and then bring that back later. I could do that. All right, now that I've thought out loud and you guys know how my weird brain works, I'm going to wrap this up because, you know, I'm going to go watch the next episode of Jack Ryan because that's what I like to do. All right, Amanda's info is going to be down below if you want to click her link. I should probably remember to put her gorgeous face at the end of my video. I usually do, but you just never know with me. But go check her out. I can't remember if she said if she had any progress this month. If you don't see an update from her this month, she probably didn't have much progress. But go check her out anyway, because she's awesome. She's my girl, and, you know, that's all I can say. That's all I've got to say about that. All right, wrapping this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.